Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to disable the shortcuts or recommended stories in Mozilla Firefox. Now, when you open Mozilla Firefox, you might have noticed that there are a few shortcuts which are added on the startup, and you would also see some recommended stories. Now, there is a way to go ahead and disable these. To do this, you will have to click on the three lines or open application menu on the top right corner of your Mozilla Firefox, and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on home. Under home, you can go ahead and choose the option for shortcuts. To disable shortcuts, you may go ahead and uncheck this option, and same thing for recommended stories. If you want to disable them, you may go ahead and uncheck. That should disable the shortcuts and recommended stories. If you want to further customize the shortcuts from one row, or if you want to disable the sponsored shortcuts, you may go ahead and uncheck the box to disable these sponsored shortcuts on your Mozilla Firefox. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to uncheck these two boxes and then open the new tab, and this is how the Mozilla Firefox would show up on the startup. So this is how you can go ahead and disable the shortcuts and recommended stories in Mozilla Firefox. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.